everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's our LeetCode daily challenge problem is count number of teams. So basically there are n soldiers standing in a line and each soldier is assigned with unique rating. Okay. And you have to form a team of three soldiers among them under the following rules, right? So basically we have to form a team of three soldiers and what are the rules that the rate that the three soldiers that we are selecting rating would be in either in increasing order or in decreasing order, right? In this particular sequence as given in an array. So either the rating of I is less than rating of j is less than rating of k, or the rating of I is rating greater than rating of j, and j's rating is greater than rating of k. Okay. So if we see this particular example, like 2, 5, 3, 4, 1 are the given ratings, right? And so three number of teams you can form by using this particular condition, right? So basically, we have to select three numbers, either in increasing order or team of three, either in increasing order or in decreasing order. So how many teams can be formed? So first team in increasing order could be 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so 2, 3, 4. That's the only team that we can select in increasing order. Now we can select three numbers in decreasing order. So what it could be? 5, 4 and 1, 5, 3 and 1. Okay, so 5, 4, 1 and 5, 3, 1. Okay, hope you have got the question. Now, the first approach that comes into our mind for solving this particular problem is the brute force, right? So basically what we can do is we can use three loops, right? Each pointing at the three indexes. Like we can, like here's the code for the brute force. Okay, so I will use here I have taken n for the rating size and count would be our answer. Initially it is assigned with 0 and I will for I will start with 0, then j from I plus 1, and for k with j plus 1. Okay, and I will check the two conditions that are given, that either it is in increasing order, right? Either the rating in increasing order, that is I is less than j and j is less than k, or in decreasing order, that is I is greater than j and j is greater than k. Okay, if it satisfies, then I will simply increase my count variable and I will return count. Okay, so the time complexity of this particular solution is n cube, as we are using three loops, right? And here, as you can see, it is accepted. I thought it would give TLE at first, but it's fine. But if this question comes into an interview, then the interviewer might ask for the optimal solution. Okay, so how can we optimize it? Uh, there are two ways. The first way is we can by using recursion and dynamic programming, right? So what we will do is basically we will find all the subsequences of this particular uh, given array, right? And then when the size of like v or string becomes 3, then we will check the condition of increasing and decreasing order, right? And we will take one count variable and increment it. But there also, if I use dp, then the time complexity would be n square, and the we will take extra space, right? So what could be the other way? Like how can we optimize that also? So here's the solution. It takes n square time. It is time complexity is n square, and the space complexity is 0. That is, it does not take any space. So how we are going to solve this problem? See, we will take the benefit of the condition that we have to select a team of three. Okay, so what can I do? Earlier I was using for the brute force three loops. Now I can do it for the with the two loops, right? In n square complexity. So what I will do is, see, suppose I have to find the team either ratings three numbers either in increasing and decreasing order, right? So what I can do is I can select any of the number, right, from here. Suppose I select 3. Now I have selected 3. So the given condition, what I will do is I will select all the numbers that are smaller than 3 and count it, right? And I will count all the numbers that are greater than 3 in the right side of the this particular index. That is third index, right? So how many numbers are smaller than 3? One only. And how many numbers are greater than 3? Right, in the right side, one only. So basically, 1 cross 1, 1 into 1 would be 1. That is, we can form one team with this particular index, right, in increasing order. That would be 2, 3, and 4. And now we have to check for the increasing or decreasing order, right? So 3 is our index, right? That is, 2 is our index and the value is 3. Now I will check in the left. how many elements are greater than 3. So 1. And how in the left side I will check how many elements are smaller than 3. That is only 1. So 1 into 1 would be 1 only. So basically in increasing order I have got 2, 3, 4, and in decreasing order I have got 5, 3, and 1 for this particular index, second index, right? So our count would be 2. Now I will check for I will not check for 0 index because in the left there is nothing, so I cannot form a team of 3. I can start from this particular. I can check how many values are lesser than this, and in the right side how many are greater than this. So from 5, 1 is less than 5, and here nothing is greater than 5. That is 0. So 1 into 0 will be 0, so that we cannot form a team in increasing order. And can we form a team in decreasing order? So as you can see, 5 element greater than 5 is not present here, so no, we cannot found, right? So with 5 I cannot form any team, with 2 I cannot form any team, with 3 I can form a team, two teams basically, and with 4 can we form a team with the 4? See, in the right side there is only one element, so we can only form a team with decreasing order. So in the right we are seeing the number is less than 4. In the left we will see the number greater than 4. Okay, so 5 is greater than 4. Yes, so the count of greater element would be 1, right? And in the left, and the count of smaller element in the right would be also 1. So 1 into 1 would be 1. So 1, 5, 4, 1. This could be our team. So basically we have found 3 teams. Okay, now let me hope you have understood. With the code, it will become more easier. So what I will be doing is I will run a loop from 1 to n minus 1. That is from 1 to n minus 1. That is third index. Okay. Why we are not taking this 0 index and the last index? Because see, here in the left there is no element, right? And we can only check one element in the left. So basically there are no elements, so answer would be 0 only. Okay, that's why. So I will start from 1 till n minus 1. In the left less, I will take in 0, right less. So basically, left less will be the count of the number that is less than this first index, right? And right less would be the all the numbers that are greater than this particular index value in the right side. Okay, and left greater is the all the elements that are greater than this first index value in the left side, and similarly right greater is the right element greater than this particular index value in the right side. Okay, now what I will do is, see, I will use two loops. Okay, so first loop I will run from j to I, right? Sorry, less than I, that is I minus 1. And the another loop I will start from I plus 1 to k. That is this loop for the left side and this loop for the right side. And that in the left side, what I will calculate the number that is are less than this particular value, right? That is the middle one value. So in this see like suppose we are here, so it will count the number less than 1, less than 3, so it is only 1, so 1 will come here. And in this particular element I left greater, I will check all the numbers that is greater than 3, so it is 5, so it will also become 1 here. And here I will basically to the in the right side I will calculate the number that is in the right is less than 3, that is 1, so it will come 1 here. And for this particular right greater element, the number that is greater than 3, that is 1. So all the all the values, like these all four values are 1 1, right? So 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1, left less into greater, okay, and left greater into right less. So 1 plus 1 would be 1, what would be 2, so count would be 2 for this index, right? Similarly, we have checked for the fifth index, it's 0, and for the fourth index, it's 1. Okay. So hope you have understood the problem, and we can take one more example like here. If suppose we are in index 1, okay, so we will check the less value. Left less would be 1 and left greater would be 0 because there is no element greater than 2, okay, and left less would be, oh sorry, right less would be 0 because there are no elements that is less than 2 here, and right greater would be 2 because two elements are greater than 2. So we will simply multiply left less into right greater, that is 1 into 2, and right greater into left less, that is 0 into 0. So 1 plus 2 into 0 plus 0, that would be equivalent to 2. right? So 2 will come for now. We will check for here also. So for 3 also 2 will come. So 2 plus 2 would be 4. Okay. Hope you have understood the problem. Now if I run it, uh, this is the network. So just yes. Okay. So if I run it, yes, it is accepted. And now if I submit it, yes, it is submitted, right? And so hope you have understood, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.